Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the launcher and collecting visuals. This matters because launchers control grid and gestures. Open Settings, then the Launcher app, set Default, and pick a grid like 4x5 or 5x5 depending on how dense you want icons. Once done, select a wallpaper that contrasts with icons so visibility stays clear. Make sure to enable any gesture or dock options now. These initial choices shape the rest of your layout and save time later. Now you arrange icons and widgets to create a usable rhythm. Start by placing core apps on the primary screen, then group related apps into folders. Folders reduce clutter and speed access. Drag a widget, place it, then long press to resize. Use 1/2 or 2x2 sizes to keep spacing consistent. Once aligned, fine-tune by nudging icons to avoid overlap with the dock or status bar. Make sure to test opening apps and swiping between pages. Finish by locking the layout or exporting your launcher settings so you can restore this setup later. You should also test gestures, the dock, and shortcuts after a restart to ensure persistence. If icons shift or widgets disappear, clear the launcher cache or reset the grid, then reload your backup. This usually fixes alignment glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot. Then verify the launcher is set as default. Many problems stem from returning to the system launcher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.